baby. So this is Taylor Morrison in South Summerlin. I'm gonna get you a video of the neighborhood going out. It's very nice. I just got the same house that you're gonna see right now under contract. Only problem with the one being available at the end of March is there's no fourth bedroom and it's a loft instead. And I know you guys are dead serious about the fourth bedroom. I just wanted to see what's available. It'll be available for $650. And it's gonna be falling out of contract this month. So as you walk in, downstairs bathroom. And then living room. Kitchen, and I think the model might have the same as this. Where's the Juliet kitchenette? And then I think the color scheme is gray, so it might be very light gray instead of white. If I can find out more information, you have an island. Okay, coming in, this is your dining area, and the backyard will be about the same size, not being built out. It'll be done end March, early April, mid-April. And then the model that you're seeing now, this 3 sliding doors, it opens up all the way to the end, so it's kind of like large and open. That's the same thing that they got. I think they did get this patio. Okay, so we'll take a look upstairs. Bedrooms. And I'll tell you kind of where the loft will be instead of the fourth bedroom. So this is what it'll look like. This is the loft version. Pretty large. In lieu of a bedroom. Bedroom number 1. 12 by 12. Pretty large, standard 9-foot ceilings. Bedroom number 2. This bathroom upstairs. You have your laundry room. And then master bedroom. 17 by 15. About 12 by 10. And then bedroom. Three bedrooms plus a loft, 2,200 plus square feet. Okay, $650. Thank you. Alright, we're here at Great Cliff. So, on the hill, 3-car garage. This is the same model as the one you sent me, 1344 Gray Dunes. Just walk in real quick. Sorry about that. As we walk in, 30-foot ceilings, very high ceilings. Nice 1,214 square feet. To our left, we have our first bathroom. Storage inside the bathroom. Your coat closet. And to the right, we have our little hallway to the next gen. So 3-car garage in there. And this is the hallway to the next gen suite. You can do glass doors or non-glass doors. You come in, this goes into the 3rd bay garage. And then as you walk in, there's a sink. Here's your extra door where they can come in by themselves. 12 by 13 living room. Have your washer and dryer. Full bathroom or bedroom. So this is the next generation suite that they speak of. Outlet there so you can put electronics, appliances. This one has a pool and a nice view because it's on the model. But again, you can have a sliding door to the back. It's like a separate apartment. So for guests, probably like your grandparents, or kids' grandparents, they can come and not bother anyone. Maybe your friends come. This is very nice. And then we go into the living room. And again, their signature large island. You have dual ovens here. Lots of counter space and cabinet space. Nice backsplash. Space about 15 by 16. Small little pantry. This is a Lennar home. Coming back this way. Looking over. And here's your outside door. Okay, all the covered stuff. The covered patio area. This is all extra money that they charge. Let's go take a look at the upstairs. Very nice. So this is their biggest model. Again, 3,280, I think. 214. Have a loft up here as well. With a nice balcony. This one has a spectacular view. But if you see, Red Rock is right there, and then you see the strip behind it. And these houses, as they come up, there's nothing that's going to obstruct it. So this is a very excellent view for this model. Pretty large, wraps around a little bit, about 8 by 8. is a nice layout. Again, the loft. And you have your laundry upstairs. Deep. It's about 8 feet to that towel closet. Bedroom number 3, 12 by 12. Walk-in closet. This is a very large house, constructed very well. It's very private. Then last bedroom,